परत हे जे आमी ज्येष्ठ जांकां राज्य सांस्कृतिक पुरस्कार प्राप्त जाल्ले आसात तांणी आजच्या युवा पिढीक मार्गदर्शन करचें अशें एक नमळाईचें मागणें तांचे कडेन हांव करतां आनी जे युवा जे आज तांकां पुरस्कार जाल्ले आसात तांणी आनीकूय आमचे गोंयचें आनीकूय आमचे भारताचें नांव व्हड करचें ताचे खातीर तुमी रात दीस काम करचें आनी नवी पिढी घडोवपा खातीर तुमकां आदर्श मुखार दवरून नवी पिढी घडोवपा खातीर तांकांय तुमी मार्गदर्शन करचें ह्याच वेळाचेर हांव तुमकां उलो मारतां.
You must remember what Swami Vivekananda said. He said, whatever you do in your life, whether it is painting or singing, drama, or loknatya, whatever it is, adopt it as a patient for breakfast, lunch, dinner. All the time you should think of it with clarity, purity, and honesty. It is only then you can excel. And once you got these three characters, most important is honesty. Then apply your patience. No success comes overnight. And then persevere with it. If you persevere with it, you can create new genes in your body. All of us normal people got only 5 senses, touch, taste, smelling, hearing, and vision. But we are born genes with the 6th sense. So right for the childhood, it is your idea, your personality to create something. But what about people like me? I was not born with these genes. If you don't genes in you, don't worry. Once again I say, have a passion. Be mad about something that you like. By hook or crook, try to acquire it. With honesty, sincerity, and have your patience to follow it year after year, persevere with it. You can create your own genes in your body.